First, gather a precision screwdriver set and a CR232 battery. Carefully pry open the key fob casing, avoiding metal tools to prevent scratches. Once open, gently remove the internal circuit board. Pop out the old CR2032 battery and replace it with the new one, ensuring the positive side faces up. Clean any corrosion on the contacts with isopropyl alcohol if necessary. Close the case until it snaps shut. Be gentle while opening the case to avoid cracking the housing, as 10 to 15% of DIY attempts can result in cosmetic damage. This process saves significant money compared to dealership services, with DIY repairs costing only a few dollars in parts. After replacing the battery, test the remote functions to ensure everything works properly. If buttons are sticky, clean them with isopropyl alcohol using a soft cloth. For unresponsive remotes, recalibrate by turning the car's ignition to on without starting the engine. Then press the lock button twice. Always disconnect the car battery before handling key fob electronics to prevent accidental locking. Consider using rechargeable lithium-ion CR2032 batteries for longer life and eco-friendliness. DIY battery replacement saves 60 to 70% compared to professional services. Aftermarket key fob housings are available, but use gentle prying during disassembly to avoid the $50 replacement cost. Double-check all connections are snug and safe before closing the case.